Hello y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today we are going to properly measure our flour. This is homemade oat flour I just made, and there's two ways to do this. You can scoop your oat flour into another measuring cup, or you can spoon it into your measuring cup. You don't want to take your measuring cup and just dump it into your flour. You often end up with too much flour. So the scooping method is taking your scoop and literally putting it into your measuring cup, or spooning your flour like that. Now, of course, it's faster to just scoop it in than to use a spoon. So we're going to do that. Okay. Now you're going to take a butter knife. You're going to use the back of a butter knife. Now you're going to level it off. Let me move this bowl here so you can see. And I like to just break up the little chunks with the back of the knife, and then you're going to go back and forth with your knife to level out the flour, covering any little gaps. Sometimes the flour leaves because it's have like little chunks in it. And there you go, perfectly leveled flour. And then you just pour it into your bowl, and there you go. Y'all, please subscribe, like, and comment.